Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technician brought this phone to me and he told me that the phone is not powering on. According to him, he tried different ways to fix it, but all proof abortive. My dear technician, I will try my best to fix the phone here live here for you guys to see. Without time wasted, let me start. My dear technician, the first thing is for me to use my multimeter to test the VBAT. I will test it live here for you guys to see. Negative of my multimeter probe to the ground while I use the positive of my multimeter probe to the VBAT. Check this out. We have a short. Check this out. The VBAT is shorting, meaning voltage cannot flow into the PCB. Voltage cannot flow to the PCB, to the ICs on the PCB. Voltage cannot flow. My dear technician, so the next thing is for me to inject voltage. This particular phone does not have DC to DC converter IC, so the primary line and the secondary line are the same thing. Meaning, if the secondary line is short, it will also short in the primary line. I'm sure you understand. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. So what I want to do now is I want to inject voltage. Since the power from the VBAT goes straight to the power IC before the phone start up, so I will apply my Rosen flux on the power IC side. Check this out. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have question, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I'm applying Rosen flux. It's important. If you have it, apply it, please, so that you will know the faulty component. Check this out. My dear technician, if you check the PCB very well, you'll notice that they have already worked on it. My technician tried, still not working. So he brought it to me here for repair. So right now I want to inject voltage. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. So this component is heating up. This component is heating up. So this is the boost coil, is heating up. Check this out. So what I want to do now, I want to remove the power IC. The boost coil is heating up, meaning the problem is from the power IC, not from the boost coil. Actually, I know for sure that a lot of technicians will think that the boost coil is the problem. It's not from the boost coil, my dear technician. Take note, please. It's not from the boost coil. The problem is coming from the power IC. As a technician, you should know this. Please take note. It's not from the boost coil. It's from the IC. The IC is not working again. That's why the IC is giving direct voltage to the boost coil. Take note. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. So let me remove the power IC. No time to waste. So that I can change it. I can check if there's any error. If there's no error, I change it. So check this out. Right here, you can see that there's no error. So it's not a physical damage. It's not a water damage. The IC just damaged, so it's not working. So what I want to do now is for me to change it. So this is the new IC that I want to put. So this is the new power IC that I want to put. Check this out. So this is the new one that I want to put. Check this out. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. So this is the new IC that I want to put. Check this out. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. So before I mount the IC on the PCB, I have to desolder. So it's important desolder. Check this out. Just take your time to desolder. Please don't rush. Please don't rush. Like I used to say, don't rush. Do not rush. Do not rush. Do not rush. Do not rush. My dear technician, do not rush. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, don't rush. Just take your time to desolder. Do not rush. You can see the method I'm using. I'm taking my time to do my own. So I want you to take your time to do your customer owned. Check this out. Clean it very well. Do not rush. Apply your flux. Just small is okay. Just small is okay. Check this out. Mount the IC. Check this out. Make sure you set it. Do not rush. Set the IC very well. If not, the phone will not power on. Set it very well. You can see that I'm setting my own. So I want you to set yours. So the next thing is heating up. Please use correct temperature. If you don't use correct temperature, either there will be a dry solder or the IC will damage. So take note, use correct temperature. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done, my dear technician. Very simple. My dear technician, very simple, very clean. Check this out. You don't need to waste time. You don't need to, think a lot. It's simple work. So now let me check the power input, which is a VBAT. Let me test for you guys to see. If you have question, my dear technician, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, no short. So the next thing is for me to test it for you guys to see. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, if you want to know anything at all, either in this video or not in this video, please feel free. Let us know in the comment section. Okay. So let me turn on the phone. 1, 2, ready, and go. My dear technician, the phone is on. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. Take note. My dear technician, the phone is on. It's back to life. So that is it. If you have any question, feel free. Let us know in the comment section. My dear technician, I love this work. I love this work. I love this work. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Clean. Clean, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out. Give me work. Give me work. Let me fix your phone. Give me work. Give me work, my dear technician. Check this out. Everything is working. Give me work, my dear technician. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let us know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, like I said before, feel free. Let us know. Check this out, my dear technician. Check me out. Check this out. Bye for now. I love you guys.